Hello and welcome to the second video in a series I call Candy Cuties. Last time we did the Twix twins, this time we're doing Skittles. Don't know what I'm gonna call her, but I'm doing Skittles. I had already had a pose in mind of what exactly I wanted to draw, like the kind of pose I wanted her to be in, because I figured when I think of Skittles, I think summer, I think sassy, I think rainbow. So I was kind of flip-flopping back and forth between whether or not I wanted to do rainbow clothing or if I wanted to do, like, maybe it had a rainbow flag, maybe it was Pride Day, I don't know. That's not what I settled for at the end. What I settled for in the end was kind of basic. Like, I went for rainbow hair instead, but we'll get there. We will get there. At the moment, I'm just sketching on Procreate the girl. I haven't done any boy, like in my head I haven't planned out any boys, which I think is strange because I don't know if this is something that anybody else does, but I draw the gender that I am because that's what I know, that's what I'm comfortable with. I don't draw very many boys, so maybe the next Candy Cutie that I do should be a boy. Food for thought. Candy for thought. Oh my god, that was cheesy, sorry. I kind of took the cheater's way out when I drew the eye. I copied and I pasted and I flipped it. And I gave dimples because I figured Skittles are sweet. Like, they're too sweet for me. I don't eat them anymore because they're so sweet. And whenever I think of like a sweet girl, I think of really big eyes, a smile, I think of a tiny little nose, and dimples. Dimples are like one of the main features of like a sweet person. And I think that was kind of like put in my brain from Ariana Grande when she was on Victorious. She had dimples and she was just really sweet. Anyway, off topic. As you can see, I'm looking up rainbow hair because it was at that point that I was like, I don't think I'm gonna do rainbow clothing because it might make me a bit dizzy looking at it. So I chose rainbow hair instead, and I used that picture as a reference. It might have gone by too fast, but I used that picture as a reference. I didn't make the colors of the hair that vibrant though. You'll see it later on, but I didn't make it that vibrant. I made it a bit more pastel. So not like original Skittles, more like the smoothie Skittles. If you guys have had them, they're awful. I'm sorry if you like them. They're disgusting. I don't really like them like that. Or is it the tropical ones that are pastel? I can't even look. I don't even know, girl. But as you can see, I started doing curls, like tight ringlet curls that were like, you know, kind of like those mermaid waves. And they were short at first. They only came to like the top of the boobs. And then me and the long hair, I started, oh, that's me making her a bit thinner because she was just, I wanted like the curvy bottom. So I left the bottom because she needed to be thick. And I'm talking thick like 4 C's. So I needed the bottom to be thick. She needed to have some honey thighs. But that was a reference that I was talking about. Oh, I was looking up clothing. I was gonna give her a dress at first, and that was the one I was gonna give her, but then I changed my mind and I went for shorts because I thought it's summer. But yeah, as I was saying, me with long hair, I opted out for long hair in the end, like longer, wavier curls like the girl had in the picture, because I didn't like the curls that she had at the moment. I gave her high-waisted shorts because I don't know, I just figured high-waisted shorts would be I don't know, just better. I was gonna do a dress But one, I'm too lazy to do the folds of the dress. Like today, I just wasn't really in the mood to do the folds of a dress. And plus, I just thought, you know, I always draw skirts and like long pants. I don't really draw shorts that often, so I put her in shorts. The shirt, I literally drew this like an hour ago, and I don't remember what the shirt is, so we're just gonna have to wait on that. What am I doing? Oh, this is where I'm changing the hair to be bigger curls. Yeah, I'm changing them to be bigger and longer, but then when I actually go in to color them toward the end, it doesn't actually say as long as you think. That shirt, oh, I remember now. That shirt is like a low V, and then it has the strings that you wrap around your waist, and then you tie like in the back in a bow. And it has like the neck. I don't know. Oh, I made the head bigger because then I realized that her head was a bit too small for her body. I felt like it was just very uneven. Like she had these really big hips and thighs, but her head was really tiny, her chest was really tiny, she was really thin. So I was like, and I kind of need to even the top and the bottom. I was going in and fixing the lips because the lips looked kind of off to me, and I couldn't figure out why. I just tapped my mic, sorry. Couldn't figure out why, and it was because one, the eyes were too high up, and two, the corner of the mouth, like one half of the mouth was thinner than the other half. The other half was too thick. Coloring, yes. Okay, I decided to go for darker skin. I have a thing where I'm always making my characters pale or like pinky, but I decided to go for darker skin because I thought summer, tan, you know. Plus, I'm a darker woman myself, and I feel like I should be representing a bit better than I currently do in my art. So, yeah, I gave her tan skin. You can see the rainbow hair going in, nice pastel, some blue jeans. I was gonna give her a red shirt. I don't know if you'll see it, it'd probably be really, really brief, but I was gonna give her a red shirt, and I opted out for black instead because I figured the red would really be too much with the rainbow hair, so I opted for black instead to really focus on the rainbow hair. You know what I mean? You know what I mean. And now I'm realizing that I completely like cut off half of her boob, like where her hair is. It still looks fine. It's fine. It's fine. Yeah, and then I lined it. I was debating on whether or not to line it, but I figured, nah, probably best I line it. Doesn't look that good without it. Yeah, that was pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Bye.